Hey everybody. Was just issued a tornado warning. At least the first one I know of this year. So far so good. The winds aren't blowing very heavy. So I'm just outside of my door here. The park is very close, so you'll hear the siren very close. And it was hailing just a little bit. Now it's just raining. Woo! So I think we have the warnings until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time here in Columbus, Ohio. Right outside of Columbus, actually. It's a little suburb of Columbus called Canal, Winchester. So, thank goodness we have these warnings. Oh, there goes somebody. Fun, fun. One of my neighbors. Alright, everybody, God bless. Be safe. Prayers for anyone experiencing any storms or bad weather. Of course, it's that time of year. Take care. Blessings.